Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new to the channel, my name's Tim. This is Vehicle Evolution, and today we're installing the brake calipers and the rotors. This intro is actually being shot a couple days late. I've already done the install, but it was so windy while I was doing it that the audio was total crap. So I put the video together and I voiced over everything. You pretty much get the same gist of what I had before, except the audio is going to sound a whole lot better. So try and get this intro done because looks like we're going to be getting some storms. So let's just get into it. So obviously we need to take the wheel off first, and we're going to jack the car up, take the wheel off, take everything apart, and then put it all back together. Should be pretty easy. I have 20mm spacers on the front, 25mm on the back, so we need to take those off, then the brake caliper, and then the mount, and then finally the rotor, and then we can put all the new stuff back on. Also, if you're working on your front wheels, I highly recommend turning the wheel so that you can actually get to the bolts on the back. It makes your life so much easier. There we have the old brackets off, and we can set that right down there. We do have enough brake line that we're not hurting anything with the brake line by setting it there. You want to make sure you use some blue Loctite on the threads for the bolts that hold the mounts for the calipers in place. That is definitely not something that you want to have just backing out and falling off on you. Make sure you put the new retaining clips back in. Don't reuse your old ones. The brake pad that has the metal piece on it is the one that goes on the inside. That's the one that actually
will start squealing when your brakes get low and is your low brake indicator. You're also going to want to put some white lithium grease or brake grease, if your brakes came with it, on the back side of that pad so that it's lubricated against the brake piston. And make sure you use the new O-rings that come with the setup as well. Lastly, you need to bleed your brake lines to get any air bubbles out. Having a bottle with a hose with a 1/4 inch inside diameter makes it a lot less messy. Make sure you loosen the nipple on the brake caliper slightly, not too much, just to allow the fluid to come out. Have them pump the brake slowly until you don't see any bubbles in the line anymore.
Alright, well, I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We're going to do a review on these. We also have the reaction coilovers that are going to be the next install video, and then we're going to do a review on those. Wheels are coming on Tuesday, so a whole lot of stuff coming down the pipeline for the car real quick here. So be sure to subscribe. That's all for me for now, guys. Until next time, take it easy.